Welcome to the wild world of weasels. These small but mighty creatures are a marvel of nature, known for their agility and intelligence. Today, we'll explore everything about weasels, from their daily routines to their fascinating hunting skills. Weasels are highly active and spend their days hunting, grooming, and exploring. They are solitary animals and prefer to stay hidden, making them excellent at avoiding predators. Weasels are carnivores, with a diet primarily consisting of small mammals, birds, and sometimes insects. Their slender bodies allow them to chase prey, even into tight burrows. The average lifespan of a weasel is about 2 to 3 years in the wild. However, some have been known to live longer in captivity. There are 17 species of weasels worldwide, including the least weasel, long-tailed weasel, and stoat. Sadly, some species are threatened due to habitat destruction. Weasels may be small, but their role in nature is enormous. They help control rodent populations and maintain ecological balance. Let's work together to protect these incredible creatures and their habitats. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.